Are you tired of buying disposable propane tanks again and again for your heaters or outdoor gear? The Mr. Heater Fuel Keg might be just what you need. It's perfect for anyone who uses propane regularly, especially during cold weather or outdoor adventures. The Fuel Keg helps you refill 1-pound propane tanks easily using a standard 20-pound tank right from home. It's simple, saves money, and cuts down on waste. Here's how it works. All you need is the fuel keg and a propane refill kit adapter. First, attach the refill adapter to your 20-pound tank, turn it upside down, and connect the fuel keg to the valve. Open the valve on the main tank, let the fuel keg fill up, then close the valve and disconnect everything. That's it. You're good to go. One of the best things about the fuel keg is that it holds a little more propane than disposable tanks. It works great with heaters, stoves, and other devices. Plus, it's tough, safe, and built to last. Over time, it saves you money compared to single-use canisters. Just a heads up. When you get your fuel keg, check it carefully for any rust or dents. Some buyers reported minor damage on delivery, so it's a good idea to inspect it right away. If you enjoy camping, outdoor activities, or rely on propane heating, the Mr. Heater Fuel Keg is a smart buy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.